Hi Edward, thank you very much. Can you tell us a little bit about your amazing Hummer?
It's 1986 ex-military Humvee. It's got left behind after the first Gulf War, which was 1991 in Saudi.
So you left in Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Right.
The bloke I bought it off got a 5-year contract in Saudi working, but didn't do his own work. No nightlife or drinking.
Right.
So he bought it to play in desert with.
Yeah.
Then he brought it back and I've owned it since 2008.
So what modifications have you done to it since 2008 then?
Kept it standard 2008 for 2 years, took it off the road for 2 years. Took the 6.2 normally aspirated engine out, put 6.6 turbo diesel Duramax in it.
So was it diesel originally?
Diesel original,
right,
yeah.
Okay.
It's gone from a 3-speed auto to a 6-speed auto.
Right.
Lifted it up a bit, gone from
37
inch tyres to 52 inch tyres.
So what sort of suspension mods did you have to do to that?
Again, it's just the plate bolted at the side of the chassis.
Okay.
You bolt it up, drop the subframe down and bolt it back up.
Okay.
So this is one of the easiest vehicles to do it on.
Right.
It's a bit harder up front because it's bent, twisted. On the back it's straight.
Yeah.
The suspension is all original running gear, but when they first come out they were 2.25 tonne.
Right.
Then the military, when they started armour plate and half-inch plate on it, they could come between 5 and 7 tonne.
Wow. This has got the military plated body on it and everything?
Yeah, it's got riveted together, but the screw heads in it. The screw heads are the bass plates for a slant back, so it proves it is an original slant back. It's bulletproof up to 9mm. The doors are Kevlar and fiberglass.
Right.
And all the glass is double glazed.
Wow.
But then they start putting half-inch armour plate on, so it'd be bulletproof up to 50 calibre. They uprated the brake, suspension, whatever they've done to uprate them because of the weight, I've done it to this.
Right. Hold on, let's get my gun. So what have you changed at the front? I assume that's not a stock bumper?
No, that was an aftermarket bumper because the front end's fiberglass and I kept on smashing them.
Right.
So the military made them for ramming stuff.
Okay, fair enough. Looks like it'll do the job.
Yeah.
You change all the lights LED.
Yeah.
Light bar.
The bumper on the back's classed as an airlift bumper. The shackles on the ends is for airlift and the 2 hoops in the bonnet.
Right.
So
So it can be lifted by a helicopter or something.
Yeah. But I don't know anywhere with a Chinook to drop me off at a show yet.
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? That would be good.
I found somebody with Huey, but this is 4.2 tonne and they'll only carry 2 tonne, so can't have 2 of them.
You said you had it down the strip at Santa Pod. What sort of time did you get on the strip?
20 seconds.
20 on the quarter, that's not bad.
There's
not bad at all.
street legal monster trucks,
Yeah.
end of year, Flames and Thunder, for 6 years, nobody's beat me.
Amazing. You cheated, you're not using slicks.
No. And the NOS is this there for show, for air-ons.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you very much, dude.
No problem. Cheers.
Thank you very much.